Has your jewellery lost its shine and stopped sparkling like the day you first bought it? And no matter how much you clean your glasses, they're always smudging and smearing? Then you'll love the all-new Kleva Sonic, the quick clean machine that makes your bracelet shine and your rings sparkle. Keep your eyeglasses looking like new in just seconds, and it's so easy. Simply fill with warm water, add your jewellery or glasses, and like magic, you can see the dirt, dust, grease, and the wax dissolve away with no scrubbing. The secret is in the Kleva Sonic waves that use microscopic bubbles to create a gentle yet powerful scrubbing action to safely dislodge and remove the microscopic dirt, grease, and dust from all surfaces, including deep pores and crevices. Dirty glasses make everything look blurred. 30 seconds in the Kleva Sonic and it removes the hidden mess, cleans the frames, and gives you incredibly clear lenses. Polishing paste and cleaning creams can build up and push more dirt into tiny cavities. Kleva Sonic gets into the hard to reach places and is so effective you can see the dirt come out. Add the watch band attachment and in seconds Kleva Sonic can make it look sparkling fresh and almost new again. Stop scrubbing, scratching and soaking and start shining the easy way.